Dear students, in this video I'll guide you how you can start using the Fliplearn application. So you must have downloaded the Fliplearn application from your App Store or the Play Store. I'll just click on the application now. And here you have to use your login ID and password to log in. Do not use mobile number method. Use your login ID and password being given to you by your class teachers. In case you have not got them, so please contact your class teachers. They will be able to provide a login ID and password. However, the IDs and passwords should be there already in your SMS. So once I press the login ID, you have to enter your login ID without any spaces. Okay, so I will just enter one of the ID which I have without any spaces. Okay, just remember this. Now press on the login button. Once you log in, you will be seeing entering your learning space, and here you will be on your dashboard. So on the top will be your school's name and your name, and here will be a little astronaut for you, and that is your learning rocket. Here what you see is the Fliplearn landing page. I'll quickly refresh it, and you will see that all of the things coming from your school will be mentioned over here. So on the Fliplearn Edge section on the top, you will see everything mentioned. So learning content, this learning content is being shared by your teachers to you. Okay, so you can have a view at it. Then there will be homeworks and tests in name of quizzes. So you have to just have a look over here to attempt all your homework. So whenever a teacher gives you homework, you get a notification as well. You get to come and check over here all your notifications of your homework, and once you want to attempt it, just press on this one and you will be starting to attempt your homework. Now this is your Fliplearn Edge, okay, of your school. So the name will be mentioned over here of your school with the logo Fliplearn Edge. It will be your virtual school. All of the content which is being given to you by your teachers in forms of study content or examination or homework will be available inside it. I'll show you about that as well, but slightly later. Here you will see the content being given to you by Fliplearn, so you can start practice and start learning and just explore into the subjects. You will find so many videos, animations over here. You can find your My Performance dashboard as well, which will tell you about your performance while you're studying these study content. Okay, now once you press on these classes over here, you will be able to see the class content of class 7th or class 8 being given to you by Fliplearn. So this is a Fliplearn content. Okay, so you can choose. We are giving you n-1 and n+1 class over here to go through. Now below which will be your quiz, so you can just play around games in a very fun way, and you can learn while you are playing games, just like over here. Press on that, you will be start to play the games. Then will be the Fliplearn wall. All of the information coming from the Fliplearn, it in the form of interesting quizzes or interesting questions, will be over here. And below which will be the school notice board. Now this is the place where you have to be very updated, because all of the information coming from the school in form of any kind of notification will be over here. So however, you will be getting all the notifications on your phone as well, but anytime you want to check any previous records, you can come over here and check. Okay, so this is the landing page. Okay, now let me talk about the Fliplearn Edge section. Press on the Fliplearn Edge section and you will be on the Edge part of your school. So this is your virtual school. This has got all the subjects which are being assigned to you by your school. Okay, so you can just enter into any of the subject. For example, you want to enter into mathematics, and you want to explore what all is the work being given to you by your teacher in the past as well. You can just go through here. Okay, so all of the study content, all of the homework will be available over here. So you can click on any of the study content. So this is the chapter named linear equation. So this is all what your ma'am has given you, what your teacher has already shared with you. Okay, so this is all the works. In any time you want to come and check in the future what is the homework, what was the homework, you can just press on any of the homework, for example, and just start to review it, and you want to attempt it. Everything can be done over here. So this is all your space. Okay, so similarly you will see that once you go to the dashboard, all your subjects are mentioned over here, and at the bottom there is a timeline. So once you come to the dashboard, okay, dashboard, this is the dashboard. Okay, and you come to the bottom of your dashboard, bottom, scroll down, and this is the timeline. So this is the place where you also want to keep updated and keep checking this place. This will get you all the work which has been given to you by your teacher, and you can date wise. So this is 17 December's work. This is the time this is the time you have to attempt this work. Okay, this is 18 December work. So everything will be arranged in a chronic manner. So you have to be very sure that you are visiting this space and checking your work. So whenever your teacher is giving your work, you can come here and press on the attempt. For example, attempt quiz now or view the study content, whatever. Okay, so once you press on the attempt, you can see that this is your teacher has given you some quiz. You can press on this, and then you can just start attempting the work. So this is a maths test, which my maths homework or anything which my ma'am has given to me. I will just do the sums and submit the test. Okay, once you submit it, then press on submit all and finish. Okay, and then you will see the right answers, wrong answers, everything will be corrected over here only automatically. You will see what are the scores you have got. So for this test you have got about, let's see how much was the marks. So total correct answer is 3. So let us just review it. The answer is correct or answer is wrong. You see the marks of individual questions are mentioned over here. This is the place you want to check the marks. Okay, press on finish review, and so once you submit it and everything, your test has been submitted. Okay, so that was it. You can explore the application. If you have any query, you can speak to your class teacher about it. And so thank you so much for watching. Happy learning.